I'm your first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
For sure I won't, though.
Slow down to the feeling. Wait up, wait there if you see me. Come back to the moment. Should I tell you that I miss you? Should I tell you that I miss you? Hold on, we could stay here once more, once lost, it was so